Hello, and welcome to the next video in the Orange series. In the previous video, I gave a brief overview of Orange. I will now show you how to download it. First, you may want to go to the Orange data mining site. Here's the link. I will give you a moment to take this link down into your own search browser. Once you have that down, what you should see is this. Now, click on the Download tab. Now, you will be given a choice of OS to use, Windows, Mac, or Linux. I am doing this on a Windows machine, so I will download the Windows release. Download the latest version of Orange right here. As you can see, it has popped up in the bottom left corner. It is currently downloading. Depending on the quality of your machine or your connection, it may take longer or shorter. Now the download is complete. Click on the file. Soon, the wizard should pop up and then we can get into installation proper. This should take a while depending on the quality of your machine, once again. We have reached the Wizard of Orange. You may read this if you wish, but first, for now, let us click Next. Here is an acknowledgement and license agreement. If you wish to read this, it is not necessary, but at the end of the day, you must select I agree. Pick whatever option suits your use. For me, I shall do Install Just For Me. Click Next. For your destination folder, select the destination folder that suits your needs. For me, I have a program folder for it, so I shall install it there. It requires 359.8 megabytes to install. Click Install. It will now begin installing. I will resume the video once it has finished installing. Once it gets to this point, it will take a while, so once again, I will cut some parts of the video so we can get through this for the sake of time. Welcome back. Now the installation has completed. Click Next. Now, you have an option to start Orange as soon as you have finished it. For the sake of everything, we shall start Orange as soon as we click Finish. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we shall cover the UI.